Jodak e kaunti ma Kericho nowuok oko ka romgi mar golo paro mopogore opogore e wi paro mar chik mageto loko chike mag kedo gi mibadhi kod mag chiwo kum. Romono manobagi gi apisas mawuok e apis mar aton jenere magawa moro e boma ma Kericho en achiel kuom yore moseketi mag choko paro e wi lokruok mowinjore obedi e pen chik ka chike manyien go igeno ni biro temo umo kendo rito jogo mafulo mibadhi e pacho ka.
Mahali meniuma ni watu wa Kericho tunasema hatutaki public participation. Yet our constitution is very clear. Almost 6 times it mentions public participation.
We're here in Kericho County today. We were conducting public participation on 3 bills that the office has developed. This is the Public Participation Bill 2025, the Anti-Corruption Amendment Bill 2025, and the Whistleblower Protection Bill 2025. The reason why we are here to sensitize members of the public and to collect views is, number one, of course, public participation is a constitutional principle. And these are governance bills that will, of course, help how this country is run. Today we're in Kericho, tomorrow we'll be in Narok County. We have our colleagues who are also in Kwale and Mombasa County. And we've also been privileged to be in various counties over this month.